Hello people of the internet, my name is Dominic and today's video is a get ready with me to go total my car. So let's go! Insurance fraud affirmations.
Listen, you need to do this for you and your family. You need that insurance money. You have to make it look like an accident. It was not your fault. It's not your fault. We need insurance money. We're broke. We can't afford to mess this up.
Now it's time for action.
Hey guys, I just got back from totaling my car. Unfortunately, a gas station employee saw that I was trying to commit insurance fraud, and then they sent the footage to the cops. So, instead of getting my insurance money, I'm back home with 33 broken bones. You know why? Because I can't afford my hospital bill. You know why? Because I didn't get the insurance money. Maybe totaling your car to get some insurance money isn't the best idea. That sucks. Well, anyway, join me next time for another Get Ready With Me. This hurts. No, I can't salute that. It hurts. I'll see you guys later.